Yes, I'm the lyrical, soul style specific individual. The G-R-I-D-N dot at the end again, my friend. I'm spitting the trend on this track. Take it back and hibbity hip hop with your earphones and flippity flip flops.
What's your point?
We go Mundo without a point for once. I'ma spit my different lines, different rhymes. Here's a bunch, sip a shot from both worlds. The LA and my boy and the kid from the NKC sideline right next to me. Let me tell it how I heard it, how it's spelled. Bring out the belt, let me make you feel how I felt. On the floor so weak, I wrote spits in pain. I may look and sound normal, but I really am deranged. Because I ramble, can't even control my own in the battle. Spent half of my high school nights inside scandals. Touch rugby, Suva grammar with Sibo sandals. Power cuts, wrote my rhymes light from a candle. A vandal that almost got expelled for my marks. Used to tosso in the dock in Kavuru at the car park. About to start another music revolution. Rap music 679 is on the moving. RedChild, Mr. Grin, bumping while you cruising. F1J1 video clips, YouTubing. I see the earwax from your drums coming out. That's a sign, time to turn your speaker box up loud.
I am a lyricist.
Yeah,
I know you're hearing this.
Mr. Grin, Mr.
I speak
Grin.
broken English.
Lami Town, Wale Kutu.
But who cares about that when your rhymes are fat? I am a lyricist.
Hey, where's the beat?
I know you're hearing this.
I know you hearing
I
this.
speak broken English.
Microphone clenched in my
But
fist.
who cares about that when your rhymes are fat?
You throw it up for the illest MCs around. We straight rock your earphones like Dolby surround sound. It's Mr. Grin and RedChild. We got the game on lockdown, so don't clown or we gon' leave you with a permanent frown. The RedChild, yeah, he nice on the mic like E40. Kinda like them by knees with rolling pins who bacon Roddy. He spit fundamentally, fanatically. He down for the cause. He dedicated like that jihad mentality. Now this we disclose in confidentiality, son. If you expose, I might kill you hypertension. Again, grogging it way local, man. They going Sandina. You know ZJ and Nabes, they wash it down with Fiji bitter. Fiji wide. You know what damage speakers catastrophically, unplaced categorically. I'm flowing metamorphically. My pen be jabbing notebooks from 9 to 5. I drop the illest, realest rhymes with that Fiji vibe. Brust my flow like hollow tips penetrate your membrane. Cyanide your brain cells like Saddam Hussein. I watch your facial expressions as you grimace in pain. Living critics at St. Giles, they certified insane. Now your mom said, cause the son is brain dead. You should've never listened to us, man. You know this track, man. Son, you know our rhymes illegal like them boys at Dead Zone. Fogging up the atmosphere when they smoking homegrown. I ain't a gangster, ain't even a crip or a blood. Ain't never laced no chucks up, I ain't your neighborhood thug. I'm just a rapper, that's all I'm ever gonna be. But I'ma rep Necktown till I D-I-E.
I am a lyricist.
RedChild, Necktown.
I know you're hearing this.
You know what's going
I speak
down.
broken English.
Yo, what up, Dead Zone?
But who cares about that when your rhymes are fat? I am a lyricist.
Yeah, what up, B-Chord?
I know you're hearing this.
Word to Jay-Z
I
and
speak
Abe.
broken English.
Hey, South Amanda.
But who cares about that when your rhymes are fat?
So, Mr. Grin, what might you be doing around next week?
All I wanna do next week is rhyme, eat, drink, and sleep. You know nga, no paisa, so paidar instead of tax. You think we getting paid for this? Wrong facts.
But Mr. Grin, I did the maths. If we start cooking crack, we could push from your flat. I won't have to use the sack. I could get a backpack, get you a new TV rack, and after that we takimanda and just kick back.
Awa, brother. Crack talengori like we living overseas. You mandanga like you know, so I get your point.
So-
I know we need to all make some money.
Cause when you broke in the cab, Russ, it just ain't funny. The taxi driver starts screaming, but you already early.
Pioneer speaker, subwoofer, blasting Bob Marley. I am a thuggy subliminal, I'm good at matching syllables.
Grin, you talking like we rich when we some broke individuals. A 2-cent find is like a real big miracle.
We not that broke, man. The times you talking about is biblical.
So I should stop being cynical when you're the one who's critical.
Typically the type of lines I would have heard too. Spitting lyricists from the Silver City suburbs.
Cause when we flow demon spray, hear us from a block away. The sound waves, they ricochet. It's the lyrical getaway.
I am a lyricist. I know you're hearing this. I speak broken English. But who cares about that when your rhymes are fat? I am a lyricist. I know you're hearing this. I speak broken English. But who cares about that when your rhymes are fat?